In the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you again with another delicious recipe. And today we making us a 3-cheese, creamy, delicious macaroni and cheese, baby. We got sharp cheddar, we got smoked Gouda, and we got some Colby Jack cheese. And we're doing this with no roux, no eggs. Let's get to this delicious, creamy mac and cheese, baby. Yeah. So we're gonna start off. Let's get us some water to boiling. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of kosher salt, about a teaspoon, a little bit of black pepper, and you don't need no oil, just salt and pepper in your water, baby. So let's get this to a boil. We're gonna come back and add our macaronis. So as you can see, we got our water boiling. Let's get our elbows in there. There we go. We're just gonna give it a stir around. Give it a stir around, make sure ain't nothing sticking. And we just gonna boil these about 10-15 minutes on medium-high heat until they are tender, baby. As you can see, we got that pasta going, the elbows going. So let's just make sure we stir them up. We don't want nothing sticking to it. Make sure we just get them separated. Make sure they all separated. There we go. Just like that. All right, we got a few more minutes. We're gonna come back, put that mac and cheese together, baby. And now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. There it is. All right, family. It's that time. Our macaronis are done. So let's get it drained. This water off of here. And then we're gonna get us another pan. We finna make our cheese sauce, baby. Go ahead and turn your heat down to a medium low because you don't want to scorch your cheese. Let's go ahead and add us some heavy cream. Add a little bit of our different cheeses, a little bit at a time. So here's our sharp cheddar. Here's our smoked Gouda. It's one of my favorite cheeses right here. Love me some smoked Gouda, baby. There we go. And let's throw in some of that Colby Jack cheese. And as you can see where I'm going with this. So we're just gonna low cook it and melt our cheese. We're gonna season it to taste. Be careful because your cheese already has salt in it. You don't wanna over salt it. You don't want it too salty. So just be considerate of that fact. We're gonna continue to mix it, stir it till the cheese starts to melt. And we're gonna have us a creamy, delicious cheese sauce for our mac and cheese, baby. Yeah, if you see your cheese is a little too loose for you, it's not completely melted, but I can tell I'm gonna need to add some more cheese. So I'm gonna throw some more of my cheese in there. A little bit of each one. There we go. We're just gonna keep on stirring it, baby. Just gonna keep on stirring it. More cheese. More cheese. Yeah. There we go. Let's just get it all melted down. All right, family. As you can see, The cheese sauce is ready, baby. Go ahead and turn your heat off. And we're just gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper. Remember, like I say, the cheese already have a salt in it. So you don't wanna over salt it. So we just hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Taste for lightness. Now let's come put this mac and cheese together, baby. See, I got our macaronis already in our baking dish, and our remainder cheese, I just threw it all together. So once again, we have smoked Gouda, sharp cheddar, and Colby Jack cheese. And there's that cheese sauce, baby. Ooh, there it is. All right, let's get some of that cheese sauce in there. Just like that. Yeah. And let's give it a good old mix. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, you hear that? Ooh. Let's get it one more time with some of that cheese. Some more cheese in there, baby. There we go. Listen to that. Oh, listen to that sound right there. So you know you got some good macaroni and cheese, baby. Some cheese up in there. Just like that. Let's get it mixed in. Some more of that cheese sauce. It's going down over here, baby. It's going down over here. Oh, got some macaroni in the cheese. I need the cheese in the macaroni and not the macaroni in the cheese. All right, let's hit it one more time with some cheese. There it is. Give that a good old mix up. Then you want to taste for likeness. See what we got. Oh yeah. That's it right there. I don't need to do nothing else. I'm gonna clean up everything. We're gonna top it with some cheese. We're gonna pop it in the oven in a minute. Check that out. Look how creamy that is. Oh, look how creamy that is. Let's get it topped off with some more cheese. And like I say, this is a mixture of sharp cheddar, smoked Gouda, and Colby Jack cheese, baby. Let's just get it topped off. There we go. That boy can cook. There it is, baby. That's our macaroni and cheese, creamy cheese, with no roux, no eggs, just cheese sauce, salt and pepper, cheese, and elbow macaronis. Simple, 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 but oh so delicious, baby. Yeah. Let's get it in the oven. And remember, family, 425 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. And we right, family, our time is up. Let's get our, oh yeah. Get a better grip on it. It's our mac and cheese, baby. That's our mac and cheese. Yeah, you see it. Check that out. It's that creamy, delicious mac and cheese, baby. All right, family, we are done. As you can see, there's our delicious creamy mac and cheese, baby. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious, check us out, mac and cheese, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. See what we made. See what we got. Ooh, I can smell that Gouda. I can smell that Gouda. Oh, yeah. Now that's some good mac and cheese. So if you like this recipe, if you like this content, think about hitting the like button. If it's your first time here, or your second, or your third time, hit the subscribe button for me. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.